So today I'm raiding with the biggest bird in the hood. You have anything to say?
Hello everybody, I'm the biggest bird.
Alright, so yeah, this is a bunch of just random clips from the hood, and yeah. Oh, he has a gun.
Oh, you did.
Oh my god, he got air shotted. No! No! Oh!
Biggest bird.
Oh my god. No! Fly! Fly!
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
that was so perfect. Oh my god. Yo!
Oh, I have to reload.
Oh no, we have to evacuate!
I hit him. Oh, he's yellow.
Solar eclipse?
Lagging. I'm lagging.
Oh no, me too. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
I'm the biggest bird.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Okay, I can't even see when I macro. I can't see a thing.
This is good.
I don't know what flag that is.
I think that's a Jamaican flag.
I didn't go to school. Oh, I see solar. This girl was fighting us for no reason.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going against Tooth Fairy. Let's see how good she is. Okay, she sucks. He said, look, it's your son. It's your son. Carry someone's friend. Who? Oh, it's your son. I'm gonna kill him.
Okay.
Okay, your son just died in front of you.
No.
Biggest bird, how do you feel about your son?
Maybe next time.
Okay. Okay.
I know.
Ducky?
Please
No,
tell me you
it's
got
not
that.
Ducky. It's the biggest bird. Are you
I
dumb?
know. Okay, wait. She's back.
Okay, no. Evacuate.
I'm the biggest bird.
We have too many kids on us. I'll pick you up.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! No!
I'm the Ingus bird. I'm the Ingus bird. Let's go.
No, she hit the gritty on me. No, we're spinning back. We're getting our get back. Okay.
The biggest bird.
Fight me. What are you doing? Fight someone your own size, kid. Yeah. Sit down. Sit down. Eat my foot. What are you gonna do? You scared?
I'm the biggest bird.
Okay, I don't know what she's doing. Just leave her alone. Let her get guns, because you're gonna end up dying.
Oh yeah, fight.
Okay,
Again.
what did I say?
Ew.
I'm gonna fight. Fight for what's right.
Fight for what's right.
Let's go. Eat my foot, kid. Eat my foot. Yeah. Yeah. No gun? I don't care, no gun. Ain't a chance.
What?
Oh!
I'm the biggest bird.
Oh! Okay!
What is happening?
There's like 3 girls!
There's too many.
Oh! Go on, yes, yes, W. Yes. Yes! Oh my god, eat my foot. Actually, eat my foot. Suck my foot. For real, run ones? No, no one's running ones with... Here, we'll get food here. We'll get meat.
Why did you say like all this?
Oh, she's too fat. Well, that's you, but we'll move past that. Okay, what is she doing? Run ones? No, no one wants to run your ones.
Oh,
Okay, I got you, don't worry.
Okay. So many people.
Eat it at the caviar! I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. Go, girl. Alright, where'd she go? Oh my, what is this?
Why is there this many people?
Bye. Dude, literally, do you think that looks fair?
Oh, yes.
Does that look fair to you? That does not look fair.
Snipe them.
Oh yeah, you're right. Bro, can you guys pay attention? Oh!
Alright, yeah, just use that as cover.
It is just beams of bullets. Here, okay, you're a goner. Okay, you're god.
Oh, it's because of you.
What are you doing? Oh!
Oh, okay, there's too many.
Alright, I'm gonna say what you could just say anything. Okay, I don't want this guy in our intro.
Who is this?
Jump. Okay.